Hello everyone. Today we'll start with lesson number 7, variation. What is variation? Variation is defined by any change in some quantity due to change in another. In mathematics, we usually deal with two types of quantities: variable quantities or variables and constant quantities or constants. If the value of quantity remains unchanged under different situations, it is called a constant. If the value of quantity changes under different situations, it is called a variable. We use alphabets to represent variables. In problems relating to two or more variables, it is seen that the value of variable changes with the change in the value of related variables. Let us take an example to understand it. Here I am comparing cost of books and number of books. If one book costs rupees 10, what will be the cost of two books? Yes, two books will cost rupees 20. What will be the cost of three books? Three books will cost rupees 30. Here you will see, as the number of books changes, the cost of books also change. Such a relationship with regards to change in the value of a variable when the values of related variables change is termed as variation. In this class, you are going to study two types of variation. The first type of variation is direct variation. Direct variation is the simplest type of variation, and in practical life, we can find many situations which can be correlated with the direct variation. When you go to buy some items from the shop, when the number of items increases, the total cost also increases. Over here, you will see when one quantity increases, the other quantity also increases. Suppose you are traveling to a place. As the distance increases, the fare also increases. That is, the cost of travel will also increase. Over here, you will see one quantity is increasing, the other quantity also increases. Now, let us see what is direct variation. In a variation, if variables change proportionalitely, that is, either increase or decrease together, then it is called as direct variation. Now, if x is one quantity, it is in direct variation with y. It can be written symbolically as x varies y. This symbol that you see is a Greek letter alpha that is used to denote variation. This you will read as x varies y. When two variables change in proportion, it is called as direct variation. If one variable increases, other will increase. If one decrease, other will also decrease. This means that the variables change in same ratio, which is called as the constant of variation. The statement x and y are in same proportion can be written as x and y are in direct variation, or there is a direct variation between x and y. X varies y is written in the form of equation as x is equal to k into y where k is a constant. X is equal to k into y or x upon y is equal to k is the equation form of direct variation where k is the constant of variation. Now let us take the same example to understand the direct variation. Here you will see in the previous table only I have added one row. In that row I am taking the number of books upon the cost of books. That is, I am taking the ratio of number of books upon the cost of books. You will see in the first column the ratio is 1 upon 10. In the second column it is 2 upon 20. We can reduce this by dividing the numerator and denominator by 2 and we get the ratio as 1 upon 10. In the third column the ratio is 3 upon 30. This also we can reduce by dividing the numerator and denominator by 3 and we get the ratio as 1 upon 10. Here you can see that all the ratios can be reduced to 1 upon 10. Now this is the constant that we are talking about in the direct variation. Now let us replace these quantities by variables. Let number of books be y and let the cost of books be x. Here, then we have the relation y varies directly to x. We will replace the proportionality sign with equality and we get y upon x is equal to k or y is equal to k into x. This is the equation form of direct variation where k is a constant.